This is my little Tach calibration box, and these Tachs you can get, you know, they're about $7 or so, and all you need to do is add a resistor and a FET with it. I can run this thing off AC, this little outlet here, or I have a 12-volt input, and when I do these modifications, I put a little 12-volt supply, a little BNC here, and the reason is that if you have an HEI ignition system, the dual flash module works equally well with electronics, and you can connect up 12 volts to the HEI ignition and your ignition points and ground. So right now I have the ignition points going into this little pin marked output. This little box is, I get it from Amazon. You don't need this switch. This is a handy little box. I use it for a lot of different electronics. But inside there's just a FET. You can do 3 BNC terminals for the output going to the points, ground, and 12 volts. It's really easy to cut the plastic. I'll show you later, but right now we have it at 45 degrees on 4-cylinder. That's the same as 22.5 on this particular Tach module. If you switch between 4-cylinder and 8-cylinder, it doesn't move. It's just an adjustment on the scale. But let's so the arrows aren't moving, and right now we have 6 arrows going around, and that's 1,000 RPM. We get up to 1,500 RPM. There's 4. The arrows stop moving. So that's it. 50 hertz. And like I say, 50% duty cycle for the calibration. And that's how you can calibrate your machine. It's really simple. Turn this off a second. We'll open up this box. And there's a lot of stuff right here, but basically you have this little module. The only thing you really have to connect it up is 12 volts and ground. You connect the FET up with, again, ground. The output of this module has to be fed into the gate of the FET with a 100 ohm resistor. Otherwise the thing will oscillate like crazy. I put a little capacitor across the output, and basically it's the case, which is the center pin, goes right up to the output pin up here. So that's it. It's not much to build. Anyone can make it. Like I say, this box is only about $6 or $7 on Amazon, and all you need is this, a couple terminals, and a FET, and a resistor. And you have a nice calibration.